What would break math? The theory of everything, and not the movie. The theory of everything is a holy grail in physics. And everyone's tried to tackle it. Theoretically, it is a single equation that would explain the entire framework of the universe. So what's the problem? There is a massive gap between the very small of the quantum world and the very large of relativity. At the moment, they function on two very separate laws. Relativity is like classical physics, it is certainty. Quantum physics is uncertainty and probability. How can both things exist in the same universe? Here is where string theory comes in. String theory says, what if instead of a single point, reality is made up of strings, and how these strings vibrate determine what particle it's going to be. They could also make up a graviton, which, if we could prove those are true, would be the carrier of gravity. So string theory could create particles, carry gravity, and hold the theory of everything together. But there are a few problems. For one, the math doesn't entirely check unless it includes 10 dimensions, and second, the theory itself is difficult to disprove, which doesn't mean it's right. The theory of everything wouldn't really break math, it would upgrade aspects of it, but it would be pretty cool.